Welcome to Orcas Island, Washington, a hidden gem nestled in the San Juan Islands, offering breathtaking views, outdoor adventures, and a serene escape into nature. Today we're exploring everything this Pacific Northwest paradise has to offer. Getting to Orcas Island is an adventure in itself. Most visitors arrive by ferry from Anacortes, sailing through the calm waters of the Puget Sound. If you're lucky, you might even spot some wildlife on your way. Seals, porpoises, and maybe even a pod of orcas. Once on the island, there's no shortage of things to do. A must-see is Moran State Park, home to over 5,000 acres of old-growth forests, sparkling lakes, and miles of hiking trails. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, Moran has something for everyone. And if you're up for a challenge, the hike to Mount Constitution is absolutely worth it. As the highest point in the San Juan Islands, the views from the top are simply spectacular. From here, you can see as far as the Cascade Mountains and across the Salish Sea to Canada. For those who prefer water-based adventures, Orcas Island has plenty to offer. Kayaking is a popular activity here, giving you a unique perspective of the island's rugged coastline. Paddle through the calm waters and explore hidden coves, or simply enjoy the peaceful solitude. And of course, no visit to Orcas Island is complete without trying to spot its namesake, the orca whale. Book a whale watching tour and keep your eyes peeled for these majestic creatures. The San Juan Islands are one of the best places in the world to see orcas in the wild. If cycling is more your speed, Orcas Island is a biker's paradise. With winding roads that take you through lush forests, past charming farms, and along scenic shorelines, it's a great way to explore the island at your own pace. After a day full of adventures, unwind at one of Orcas Island's many beaches. Whether you're watching the sunset or skipping stones along the shore, it's the perfect way to soak in the island's natural beauty. Orcas Island isn't just about outdoor adventures, though. The village of East Sound is the island's cultural hub, offering quaint shops, art galleries, and local cafes where you can taste fresh, locally sourced food. Be sure to stop by for a bite to eat or to pick up a unique souvenir. Whether you choose to stay in a cozy cabin, a lakeside campsite, or a charming bed and breakfast, Orcas Island offers the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. And as the day winds down, there's nothing like sitting by a campfire, gazing up at the stars. So whether you're here for the outdoor adventures, the stunning scenery, or simply a peaceful retreat, Orcas Island is a destination you won't soon forget. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future adventures. Until next time, happy exploring.